Hi and welcome to this quick tutorial in which I want to show you how you can create a testimonial from one of your comments if you're using Thrive Ovation on your website. If people leave comments on your site, you can really easily turn them into testimonials and display them anywhere you want on your site. Now, to get started with this process, all you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard and from the left sidebar, go to the comments section. Now here, of course, is where you're going to see all of your comments, and on the right hand side you have a save as testimonial section for each comment. For some of the comments it says saved because I have already went through the process of saving the comment as a testimonial, but as you can see, for the comments that have not been saved yet, you can click on this plus sign to create a testimonial. If you click on this plus icon, a pop-up will appear, and this is where we can configure the testimonial, and we can also change some of the details from here. So as you can see, in these fields we will have information about the user that left the comment, so the full name, the email address, and in case they filled in the role or website URL fields, we will also have those here, or we can manually add them if we want. So you can start by adding a title to the testimonial. And then if you want to fill these in, you can do so, and you can also add tags if you want. Scrolling down this pop-up, we will see the actual content of the comment is right here, so we can change it if you want, or we can highlight different section and so on. But I'm gonna leave it as it is. And then right below the section where you can actually edit the testimonial, you will notice this toggle that allows you to ask for the customer's permission to use that respective comment as a testimonial. So if we switch this toggle on, a new section will appear right here, and this is gonna be a preview of the email that is going to be sent to my users. As you can see, I have already gone through the settings and customized this message, but I want to show you where you can find these settings in case you want to modify anything about this email. So I'm gonna access my Thrive Ovation dashboard for that, and I'm gonna access the settings right here. Now, as you can see, we have a whole section that I have already set up, which is the customer approval setting. Now, as it says right here, this option allows you to ask for the customer's permission to use the testimonial gathered from WordPress comments. You will have two sections here, the email and the landing page sections. If we click on this email card on Edit Configuration, this is where you can customize the actual subject and body of the email that the users will receive. You can also add shortcodes from here. As you can see, I have used two of them, the name of the user as well as the approval buttons. You can also preview the email if you wish, and you can also send a test to your email address to check if everything's okay. And now in the landing page card, you can click on Edit Configuration, and this is going to be the setting that allows you to choose what happens if the user approves or doesn't approve the testimonial. Here you have the option to choose between displaying existing content on this site, like a post, or you can display a custom URL, which is what I did in my case. And if you choose this option, you will of course have two more fields here in which you can insert your custom URL. When you're done here, simply click on Save and Continue. Another important part is that you will have to set up an email delivery integration so that the email can actually be sent. As you can see, I've already configured Mailgun, but you can click on Add New here and configure any of the email delivery services that you wish. Lastly, here in the placeholder image section, I've added a default image to be shown if the user doesn't have one yet. If I click on Reset to Default, this is gonna be the image that appears when a user doesn't have an avatar set. And if you want to change it like I just did, you can click on New Image, select one from your WordPress media library, and then the placeholder image will be set. I'm going to click on Save Settings, and let's go back to our comments and save this comment as a testimonial. So to recap, in this first section, you can add a title, tags, and information about your users. Then you can modify the comment if you wish, and then in this last section, we can ask for the customer's approval. So now naturally, if you want to continue, you will have to click on Send Email to Customer. But if you decided not to ask for permission, you will be able to directly add this comment as a testimonial. And now, as you know, to display a testimonial on one of your pages or posts, all you have to do is add a display testimonials element. I'm going to choose a simple template and I'm going to click on specific testimonials here. And as you can see, this is going to be the comment that we've just added. The tag is also here and I've only chosen to display this one. So as you can see, our WordPress comment has turned into a nice looking testimonial. These were the basic steps through which you can turn a WordPress comment into a testimonial when using Thrive Ovation. Don't hesitate to read more about Thrive Ovation in our knowledge base or take a look at our YouTube channels to learn more about Thrive Team's products.